Hello Moncescans, mga anak! Are you ready for the new year? Today, I'm going to share with you our New Year's pamahiin or superstitions. Pamahiins are superstitions that I grew up learning back in the Philippines. So one of the things we do during the new year is to wear new clothes and preferably red with polka dots. This polka dot sweater was my mom's, so I'm feeling her hug right now. Another thing that we do during the new year is for kids to jump when the clock strikes 12. I don't think that worked for me, but anyway, we can always try, right? Another superstition would be to put money in your pocket, coins that jingle, and this is to ensure that you have money all year round. My grandma had the pamahiin of not spending anything during the new year. Now here in Kusina ni Moncesca, I'm going to show you one kitchen tradition, which is to have 12 round fruits for your New Year's table. Why 12? It's for the 12 months of the year. So let me show you what fruits I've gathered. I just bought a few of each fruit and selected those that we normally like to eat. So our fruit number 1 would be clementines. Fruit number 2, cherries. Fruit number 3, green mango. Fruit number 4, some navel oranges. Fruit number 5, cantaloupe. Fruit number 6, kiwi. Fruit number 7, avocados. Number 8, a persimmon. I've never tried this actually, so I thought this would be a good time to do so. Fruit number 9, peaches. Fruit number 10, gala apples. Fruit 11 are some pears. And fruit 12 would be some Granny Smith apples, and I'm planning to use them for apple pie later on. I forgot to buy some grapes, but maybe I can get some later. We'll see. But I already have my 12 fruits, so we're going to arrange them here in my crystal bowl. So here's our bowl, and maybe I'm just going to put some of the avocados at the bottom so we can elevate the other fruits. Okay, and I guess, oops, probably best to take out the sticker. I'm going to put the cantaloupe in the center. Okay, how's that looking? So are any of these fruits your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. And what does this taste like? I don't really know. So maybe some pear there. How's it looking? I'm not sure if I'm able to put all the fruits here, but I guess a little bit of each will do. Stick the avocados in there. Oops. I think that looks nice. Maybe some pop of red over here. Yep. Oh, forgot the peaches. It's a fuzzy peach. Let's see. That's why I only bought a few of each, because I don't want to waste anything. I want to make sure we eat them all. And the cherries are from San Diego. They're a bit expensive, but anyway, I just bought a little bit. And shout out to my sister Candy. I know she loves cherries, so I'll eat this for you. So what other Filipino pamahiins do you know or practice? Or if you're not Filipino, let me know what your traditions are in your country. Turn it around so it looks nice on each side. And just stick all the cherries in between. I remember my dad at the stroke of 12 would eat 12 grapes just for luck. I think I put too much cherries. So take some out and maybe eat them now. So here is our fruit bowl from Kusina ni Moncesca and from my home to yours. Happy New Year! Wishing everyone a blessed and fruitful New Year. Oop.